Hey everybody, John Woolworth here. In June 2022, I had the chance to visit Kyrgyzstan with my daughter for 10 days. We saw some incredible things during that 10 days, from climbing a 1,000-year-old tower to watching a game of Coq Baru, and if you don't know what that is, I've got another video on that. The last day, our flight didn't leave until midnight, so we spent the day hiking in Alamedin Canyon near Bishkek. It was a great way to wind down an epic adventure to Kyrgyzstan. Okay, so tell me what canyon we're in again?
We're in the Alamedin Gorge.
Alamedin Gorge, okay. Yeah. This is how I keep track of it later on.
Right. And we're hoping to make it to a waterfall that's called Tepli Kluch.
Okay, is it dramatic or is it just a little waterfall?
It's pretty small, it's not super dramatic.
Okay. Good enough to swim in though, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Good enough to cool off it.
All right, cool. A lot of people on this trail. A popular place.
But it's supposed to be the longest dropping waterfall in Kyrgyzstan.
Really?
In a sense.
Okay.
So it's not the highest. There's another one in the south that's considered the highest. It's at the top, its peak is higher. But
Okay.
this one's the water stream is the longest.
The water. Okay, so it's like a cascade, but it's not.
Right, it's really long.
And which direction are we from Bishkek right now?
We are south.
South of Bishkek. Okay. There's no shortage of beautiful spots in Kyrgyzstan. This is amazing. This is just outside the city of Bishkek, just to the south, and you can see snow-capped mountains not that far off. It's just beautiful. Ah, nice. Are you enjoying this hike?
Yes.
Yes. What is it you like about it?
Scenery is gorgeous and I like being outside.
Okay, good. And we're gonna wear you out before our flight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Because our
Not
flight.
gonna sleep though.
Yeah, well, at least you'll be tired and you don't mind sitting. Because our flight is at about 2 o'clock in the morning tonight, and we need to be worn out for it. The elevation kept getting higher and the scenery kept getting better as we hiked. The weather also started getting worse, but that made for some really epic pictures with the mountains being draped in fog and rain. And it also made for some extra adventure as well. So this is the water where we're going to have lunch and then we're going to turn around. So I guess we're supposed to cross here. Oh, here comes some rain. Oh, my feet got a little wet, but not too bad. I'm guessing you got a little wet. Jump to there. There you go. All right. After lunch, the mountain weather just continued to get worse. And I didn't do a lot of filming because the rain just got too heavy for the equipment I was carrying. I did, however, get a lot of aerial footage, which I'm just going to finish up with because it was truly beautiful. And this was our wrap up to Kyrgyzstan. If you like this video, or if you like hiking or travel or photography or anything like that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified when more content like this shows up. And we'll be seeing you soon.